Okay, welcome to SPSC online classes and I am your maths teacher. And students, now we are going to solve math assignment number 10. Okay, of grade 6. Okay beta, as we are doing chapter number 2, and the name of chapter 2 is negative number. And we also learned different point in the previous assignment. So first we will revise the previous assignment points and then we will start the new topic. Fine? Okay. Now, as a negative number, we also learned about the negative numbers, positive numbers, integers and number line in the previous assignment. So first we will revise these are the points and then we will start the new one. Okay, negative number. A number with negative sign is called the negative number. So let -3, -1, -2 so and so on, these are the numbers are called the negative numbers due to the negative sign. Positive number have the positive sign as +1, +2, +3. So due to the plus sign, these numbers are called the positive numbers. And integers is a set of a whole negative and positive numbers. Whole means without decimal numbers. Whole numbers, it means +1, +-1, +-2, +-3, +-4 and so on. So a complete set of a positive and negative whole numbers means the negative number is also included here and positive number too. So a set of a positive and negative number is called the integers. And negative number line, we also learn about the number line, that how we can represent the integers on the number line, as we have to make a straight line and 0 has come at the middle of this line, and the negative number will write to the left side of the number line and the positive number will write to the right side of the number line. So as -1, -2, -3 and 1, 2, +2, +3, +4 and so on. Understood beta? Okay, and we also learn about the addition and subtraction of the negative line. Numbers, that how we can add and subtract two or more than negative numbers. Let there are two numbers -3 and they are adding -6 and -3. There are two numbers and they are adding. So what will be the answer? -3, open the bracket, minus plus -6. So minus, the procedure will plus, but the sign will negative. Why? Because the greater value, 6 is the greater here and 6 is a negative sign. So that's why we will write negative answer. Fine. So 6 plus 3, 9 and the answer in negative form. -9 is your answer. Understood beta? Okay. Now after prior knowledge, come on the new topic. And the new topic is, okay, after the prior knowledge, now come on the new topic, and today I will tell you about the multiplication and division involving negative numbers. That how we can multiply and divide two or more negative numbers. Fine. Okay, let there are two numbers, -3 and one number, and the second number is -6. So there are two negative numbers and they are multiplied. So what will be the answer? So 6 3s are 18 and then minus will become plus. So plus 18. During multiplication, keep in mind that there are some rules. When a negative number will multiply with a negative number, the answer will be positive. And when a negative number will multiply with positive number, the answer in negative. And when positive number will multiply with the negative number, the answer will negative. And when positive number will multiply with a positive number, the answer in positive form. Understood? And same during division, what happened? When let's suppose there are two numbers -6 and they are divided by 2. So what will be the answer? So -6 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3, when we will divide 6 by 2, the answer will 3 and the answer sign with negative and 2 have positive sign. So minus plus, during division minus sign. So during division there are some gain rules. When a negative number will divide by the positive number, the answer in negative form. And when a positive number will divide by the negative number, so answer in negative form. And when a positive number will divide by the positive number, the answer in positive form. And when a negative number will divide by the negative number, the answer in what? Positive form. Understood, beta? So there are some rules. Keep in mind these are the rules. Okay, now we will start the book work now. Okay, beta, now take out your book and new syllabus mathematics 1, turn out page number 37. Multiplication and division involving negative numbers. We also discuss some points. So come on the practice now question, page number 39. And they are saying without using calculator or algebra days, find the value of each of the followings. So simple multiplications, that how we can multiply 2 or more negative numbers. Find page number 37. And practice now. Practice now exercise. Okay, and question 1. Question 1 is part A. They are saying 2 multiply minus 6. So what will be the answer? 2 multiply 6, 12. Minus plus, during multiplication, minus multiply with plus sign. So answer in minus form. So minus plus minus. Minus 12 is your final answer. Understood? And now come on the next E part. E part, minus and then in the bracket minus 10. So what will be the answer? Beta, during this minus sign and the other minus sign, the sign is multiplication. It's mean minus sign is multiply with minus 10. So what will be the answer? Minus minus plus 10. Understood? Okay. Now come on the J, last part. Minus 2 multiply means minus 2 is multiply with minus 100. There is no any sign, it's mean they are multiply. So minus 2 multiply with minus 10. 100. 100 multiply to 200. Then minus multiply with minus sign, plus sign. It will become plus. Understood, beta? Okay, now rest all the parts are your task. Complete these all the questions in your notebook. Okay, now come on the second topic. Okay, second topic is division involving negative numbers. That how we can divide 2 or more numbers, negative numbers. Fine? Okay, now let's suppose there are 2 numbers and the first one is minus 12 and they are saying they divide by minus 12 minus 2. So what will be the answer? Minus 12, then write down minus 2 in division form. Okay, now 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 2, sorry. So what will be the answer? 6. You will get 6. And then minus will become plus. So it's mean plus 6 is your final answer. When minus sign will minus number will divide by the minus number or negative numbers, negative number will divide by the negative number, the answer will positive form. Understood? So you can cancel in minus with minus sign, simple. So plus 6 you will obtain answer. Understood, beta? Okay, now come on the practice now questions. Page number 40. Page 40, practice question. Practice question. Okay. Without using calculator, calculate these are the questions. Now how we can calculate? The first part, A part. In A part they are saying A minus 8 is divided by minus 8 divided by plus 2. So what will be the answer? Minus 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, 4 when we will solve on the right side, and minus divided by the positive number, negative number divided by the positive number. So what will be the answer? The answer in negative form. So minus plus minus. So this is your answer. And come on the last F part. F part is minus 12 divided by minus 3. So what will be the answer? 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, and then minus divided by minus, a negative number divided by the negative number, the answer in positive form. So the plus 4 is your final answer, and you can cancel negative sign with the negative sign. The plus 4 is your final answer. Understood, Becca? Okay, now rest all the questions are your homework. So complete this all the question in your notebook. Okay, now come on the last topic. And the last topic is combine operation on numbers. Okay, now combine operation on numbers. That how we can use more than 2 operations on a numbers. How we can solve a numbers according to more than 2 operations. So keep in mind, beta, let's suppose there are numbers minus 3 plus 2 multiply 6 plus divide by 2 and then plus 2. So there are some operations are doing brackets, multiplication, addition. So which operation will come on the first, which operation will solve first? So beta, keep in mind that in this type of the condition, first we will solve the brackets. Understood? And then we will solve the powers. And in the third step, we will solve the multiplication. We will do the multiplication and division. And in the last step, we will do addition and subtraction. So there are these 4 main points during this type of the situation. Understood, beta? Okay. Now question and the A part. Let's suppose we have a situation just like this one, minus 3 multiply 15 minus 7 plus 2. So beta, as we know that we will solve first brackets. So minus 3 will remain same, and in the brackets there are addition and subtraction are doing, operation are using. Now which operation will first? In this type of situation, as we already learned that we will start from the left side. So this is the left side and this one is the right side. So when an expression have a negative and positive sign, or negative and addition and subtraction operation, so we will start from the left side. Fine. And this one is, as we know that this one is the fourth rule of the combine operation on numbers. So we will start from the left side. 15 minus 7, what will be the answer? 8 plus 2 and then minus 3 multiply 8 plus 2 10, and then 10 multiply with 3, 10 3s are 30 plus minus minus 30. This is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay. Now after the explanation and practice, no question. Now come on the exercise 2C. Okay, exercise 2C, and we are starting question number 1. exercise 2C and page number 42. Okay. Question 1. In question 1, find the value of each of the following. It's mean multiplication. We will multiply simple two or more negative numbers. So as we know that how we can multiply. So the first question number 1, first part. Question 1 and A part. Come on the A part, and 3 multiply minus 9. So 9 multiply 3. 9 3s are 27, and okay, look at the sign of in front of 3. Here's plus. So plus minus. As we know that during multiplication, plus a negative number and a positive number multiply with negative number, the answer in negative form. Fine. So plus minus minus. This is your final answer. And now come on the part D. Part D is minus 1 multiply minus 6. Both the numbers are negative. So 6 multiply 1. 6 minus minus will plus. Plus 6 is your answer. Understood, beta? Okay, now rest all the parts are your homework. Now come on the question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. They are saying that solve these questions. Fine. So division. In question number 2, the negative numbers, the division of the negative numbers is based. Okay, now A part, minus 21 divided by 7. So what will be the answer? Minus 21, sorry, we will write minus 21 divided by 7. So as we know that 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So when we will divide 21 by 7, we will get just 3. And minus plus, the sign of the in front of 7 is plus. So minus divided by plus. So what will be the answer? Minus. So minus 3 is your final answer. Understood? Okay. Now come on the last part. F. Minus 18 divided by minus 3. So 3 6 are 18, and minus minus, when minus negative numbers will divide by the negative number, the answer in positive form. So plus 6 is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay. Now rest all the parts of your homework. Now come on the question number 3. And question number 3 is, in question number 3 they are saying find the square root of each of the following number. Find the square root. That how we can find the square root of these numbers. Fine. So 81, the square root of 81. The number is 81. So how we can find the square root of 81? 81. Square is unknown. They are saying that find out the square root of 81. So 81, first we will find the factor of 81 by using the prime factorization method. As we already learned in the chapter 1, 81. So we will start. Okay, look at the last digit 1. It's mean 81 cannot become in the table of 2. It cannot be divided by the table of 2. So we will start from the table of 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. The factor of 81 are 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now as they are saying that find out the square root, it means we will take the square root of both sides. So take the square root of both 81 and the factor of 81. So under root 81, no, we will make the pairs. Why? Because we are going to solve square root, and during the square root we will make the squares, and during cube roots we will make the cubes of the factors. So 3 square multiply 3 square. And as we know that the value of square root is 1 by 2. So put the value of square root here. 181 square root, and then 3 square multiply 3 whole square, and then apply the value of square root. This is the value of square root. Okay. Now (81) is equal to, now apply the square 1 by 2 power. When we will open the brackets, the power will apply each number inside the bracket. Fine. So 3 whole square multiply 1 by 2 multiply 3 whole square multiply 1 by 2. So square can be cancelled with the square, square cancelled with the square. Just 3 multiply 3 you will get 81. The square root of 81, 3 3s are 9. So it's mean 9 is the square root of 81, and this is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay. Now rest all the parts are your homework. Now come on the question number 4. Question 4. Okay, I will do C part. As the question solved, you will add each of the following where possible. So they are saying that find out the square root if possible. So C part is C part. In the C part, minus and then square root of 9. So how we can find the square root of 9? So beta, as we know that we can find the square root of any number by using the prime factorization method. By finding the prime factor of that number by using the prime factorization method. Okay, now find out the factor of 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So write down the factor of 9 and negative sign. 3 multiply 3. Now make the pair of factors. It will become 3 square, and as we know that the value of square root is equal to 1 by 2, so put the value of square root here. Minus 3 square multiply 1 by 2. So 2 can be cancelled with just 2. Minus 3. So minus the square root of 9 is equal to minus 3. This is your answer. Understood, beta? Okay. And come on the last D part. D part. They are saying that find out the square root of minus 36. So is it possible that we can find the square root of 36 minus 36? No. If any number have a negative sign inside the square root, we can't find the square root of that number. Let's suppose minus 16. So we cannot find the square root of minus 16. We cannot find the square root of any negative numbers. So you can write here, it's not possible. Fine? It is not possible to find the square root of minus 36, and it was your final answer. Now come on the question number 5. And question 5, they are saying that solve these questions. A part, part A, minus 2, and after the bracket power is 3. Okay, after the bracket power is 3 means minus 2 power 3. It's mean minus 2 will multiply 3 times. So first we will start from the left side. 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus, and then write down the other 2, minus 2. And then in the next step, 4 2s are 8, minus plus, minus multiply with plus sign, so minus. As we know that a negative number will multiply with positive number, the answer in negative form. So minus 8 is your final answer. It's mean minus 2 power 3 is equal to minus 8. Understood beta? Okay. And now come on the last D part. And D part is minus 6 cube. Again cube. So cube means minus 6 power 3. It means minus 6 will multiply with 3 times. So 6 6 are 36, minus minus plus, multiply with minus 6. So 36 multiply 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 and 3, 6 3 are 18, 18 and 21. So minus plus minus. 216 is your final answer. Minus 216. Understood beta? Okay, now rest all the two parts are your homework. Now complete this all the question in your notebook. Okay, now after this question, come on the question number 7. Question 6 is not included in your assignment. Okay, now come on the question number 6. And question 6 is solve the square root and cube root of these numbers. They are saying that find out the cube root of this number. So how we can solve? Question number 6 in A part. The cube root of 27. So how we can find the cube root of 27? 27 is a positive number. It's mean we can find the cube root of 27. And keep in mind that we cannot find the cube root or square root of any negative numbers. So what we will do first? First we will find the factor of 27 by using the prime factorization method. So 27, 7 is the odd number. It means it cannot be divided by the table of 2. So we will start from the table of 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So the factor of 27 are 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. The cube root of 27 is equal to, no, we will make the cubes because we are solving the cube root. Okay, now make the cube root, cubes of factor. Now as we know that the value of cube root is 1 by 3. So put the value of cube root here. 3 cube multiply 1 by 3. So 3 can be cancelled with 3. Just 3 is your final answer. It's mean the cube root of 27 is equal to 3. This is your final answer. Understood beta? Okay. Now rest all the parts are your task. Now come on the question number 7. Page number 43. Question 7. And in question 7 they are saying that find the value of each of the following. As we know that how we can solve the combine operation on numbers. Fine. So there are some operations are doing some on the numbers. So come on the first part. And in first part, minus 55 divided by plus minus 10 minus 10. So beta, as we know that first we will solve the brackets. Minus 55, open the bracket, it will become minus plus minus. When we will open the bracket, the sign will multiply. Minus plus minus 10 minus 10. So we will start from the left side. Minus 55 minus 10. Minus minus will plus. Minus and minus, the other number will plus. It means they are add. So 55 plus 10, 65. And the sign will minus because 55 is a greater and greater value I have negative sign. Minus 10. Again minus minus plus. So 65 plus 10, 75 and the sign will minus. This is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay, now come on the part E. And E part is bracket minus 5 minus 2 multiply minus 3. So first we will solve the bracket minus minus plus. So 5 plus 2, 7, the sign will minus. Then multiply minus 3. No, 7 multiply 3, 21 minus multiply with minus plus. Minus minus plus. Understood, beta? Okay. Now come on the part H. Okay, G. J is 3 multiply minus 3 and then power minus 7 minus 2 then power. Okay, 3, it means first we will solve the brackets, then we will come on the powers and then multiplication and division, and then at the end we will do add and addition and subtraction. So 3 multiply minus 3 power. Okay, leave this power minus 7 minus 2, 5 and write down power 2. Now come on the power, my power minus 3 power 2, it's mean minus 3 will multiply 2 times, and 5 power 2, it's mean 5 will multiply 2 times. 3 multiply 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus 9 minus 5 5s are 25. Now 3 multiply with 7, 9 3s are 27 minus 25. 27 minus 25, 2, and 2 is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay, now next, last, come on the last question, last part of question 7. Last part is J, and the square root of 10 minus 3 multiply with minus 2. So how we can solve this question? 10, and first we will solve the brackets. So, and as we know that first brackets, then power, and then multiplication and division, and at the end addition and subtraction. So here multiplication and multiplication and subtraction are doing. So first we will multiply, 3 2s are 6 and the sign will minus. 10 minus minus, now open the bracket, plus 6. 10 plus 6, it will become 16. And as we know that the square root of 16, can be write 4 multiply 4. Yes, and you can write you can find the factor of 16 first and write down and then make the pairs. Then 4, it can be write 4 square. No, the value of square root is 1 by 2. Put the value of square root here, 1 by 2. So 2 can be cancelled with 2, just 4, and 4 is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay, now do the practice of this all the parts in your notebook. Now come on the last question, question 9. Okay, now come on the last question, question number 9. And in question number 9, they are saying to find the value of each of the followings. Again, so come on the part number C. And the C part is question 9, C part. C part is bracket 16 minus 24, then bracket close, minus 57 minus 77 bracket close, then divide by minus 2. So beta, as we know that first we will solve the brackets. So 16 minus 24. So 16 have plus sign. So plus minus minus. 24 minus 16, 8. And the sign will minus. Then minus 57 minus 77. It's mean plus minus minus. 77 minus 57. What will be the answer? 0 and 2. 20. The sign will minus. So put into the bracket. Okay. Now divide by minus 2. So minus 8, open the bracket, minus minus plus 20 divide by minus 2. Okay, look at this expression. This expression have plus and minus sign and division sign. So what we will do first? Which operation will do first? Write down in bracket beta, because 2 have also a sign. So during any two sign you can write the bracket. Okay, now minus 8, first we will divide. First we will do division method, division procedure. Now 20 divide by minus 2, what will be the answer? 20 is a positive number and minus 2 is a negative number. So when we will divide 20 divide by 2, the answer is 10, and plus minus minus. When a positive number will divide by the negative number, the answer in negative form. So it's mean you will get minus 10. So minus minus plus 10 plus 8, 18, and the sign will minus. 18 minus 18 is your final answer. Understood beta? Okay. Now after the question C, come on the question F. Okay, question F is 15, 9, and we are doing F part. Question 9 F part. Curly bracket, then square bracket, then small bracket, and minus 15 plus 5 bracket close, multiply 2 plus 8, then square bracket close, minus 32 divide by 8, then curly bracket close, then minus 7 in small bracket. Okay, there are 3 type of bracket are using. So which bracket will solve first? So keep in mind beta, first we will solve small bracket, then we will solve square bracket, then at the end we will solve the curly bracket. Understood? Okay, now curly bracket, then square bracket. Now solve the small bracket. Minus 15 plus minus plus minus plus minus 15 minus 5, 10, and the sign will minus because 15 is a greater number and 15 a negative sign. Then multiply 2 plus 8, then square bracket close, minus 32 divide by 8, curly bracket, minus 7. We will solve step by step, right? Okay, now curly bracket, square bracket. Now look at here. There are 2 operations are using, multiplication and addition. So which one will come first? Multiplication. So first we will multiply with 2, minus 10 multiply plus 2. What will be the answer? 10 multiply 2, 20 minus plus minus, divide, plus 8, then square bracket close, minus 32 divide by 8, then curly bracket close, minus 7. Okay, now curly bracket, Now solve the square bracket. Minus plus minus. 20 minus 8, 12. The sign will minus. Minus 32 divided by 8, then curl bracket close. Minus minus 7. No. In the curl bracket, division and subtraction are using. Sign are using. So which one will come first? First we will solve division sign. So minus 32 divided by plus 8. What will be the answer? 8 4s are 32. So 4 and minus plus minus. You can check here. 32 is a negative number and 8 is a positive number. So when we will divide 32 by 8, we will get 4 and minus plus minus. It means minus 4 we will write here. Minus, then minus 7. No, minus plus 12 plus 4, 16, and the sign will minus because 12 is a greater here. Minus minus 7. Minus 16, open the bracket, minus minus plus 7. So 16 minus plus minus. 16 minus 7. 9, and the sign will minus. So it's mean minus 9 is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay. Now do the practice of all these questions in your notebook. Okay, rest all the parts are your homework. Okay.